What's up, guys? We are here in which is 8605 Omer. We are filming here a huge a storm that is interrupting us. And Chao goes to give us more. Today today's shout out rated. Today's requested rated and rated shout out goes to Trumpet Storm Chasing, because Trumpet Storm Chasing is filming out videos of hurricanes and tornadoes and storms and whatever. Trumpet Storm Chasing is a really good storm chaser and really big wind and guys. Actually, I have to tell you this, but this, guys, is a Category 1 storm. And this show also goes to the Weather Channel. This severe wind, but it doesn't destroy houses, no damages. Everything is good, just a high wind and high rain. Just Category 1 storm. So, guys, it looks like a hurricane, but make sure to like our videos. Make sure to like my video, and if you want to see more storms, see more on Trumpet Storm Chasing. They have more footages of storm and the year. But guys, I'm gonna record you the full scene of it. Actually, I'm so disappointed. We cannot see anything. We're just gonna see it from there. But you know what, guys? This is an apology. You couldn't see. The wind was very powerful. But it's very powerful. It's very powerful. Yeah, and it's a storm. So whatever it is a Category 1 storm. But yeah, so guys, bye.